Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So today I'm starting on a blank canvas. I'm going to try my hand to swipe. Feels like I haven't done that in a while, so that's the deciding factor. The swiping material is going to be just a piece of plastic taken off of a little loose leaf binder. I haven't had a great deal of luck with my swipes. I find with the tools, I had some like smoothing tools. They seemed a little bit too heavy. Paper towels a little bit too light, so I thought I'd try this, see what we end up with. And so I'm going to be using 4 colors. We got blue, white, and gold and black. In the blue and white, I have the leather waterproofing spray, shoe water repellent stuff. In the gold, I have the dimethicone in the form of the personal lubricant. And in the black, I have just plain alcohol. And so let's go ahead and get the paint on here. Kind of just putting it in stripes, and I'll be swiping it. I primarily want blue and gold, actually blue and gold more than anything, and the white and black are more just sort of an accent. But we'll see how that goes. Actually, we'll type it away on the end there. Oh, and of course, as per usual, I've got water and PVA glue in all of them as well. With very rare occasion, that's pretty much always going to be the case. Might have made the black a little too watery. It's really spreading out already, but that's all right. Just a few more stripes, and then we'll go ahead and spread it all over the canvas, see what we get. Being fairly generous with the paint. Black and white I'm holding back on a little bit. As I said, I want this to be mostly about the blue and the gold. Just a little bit more. Well, I guess that's going to do it for the gold. And I've got just a little blue left. Not very much at all. It doesn't want to come out. Alright, that's it for the blue. So just a smidge more black right along the edge here. Let's make sure I have full coverage. A little bit over here, the white. Alright, and do I have any more gold? Because I might as well use it up. A tiny bit. Let's get it on there. Alright. That's going to do it. Get these cups out of the way. And this is about a third. I did save a few other sizes, but just going with a third of the size, about a third of the size of the canvas. And of course, because I swiped that way and started with white, it kind of, missing a spot here, kind of covers everything up. And so I think what I'll do is swipe back the other way, because I didn't want this to be just a white painting. But here we go. Lots of cells forming, which I assume there would be. The leatherproof, oh my goodness, waterproofing stuff is silicone based. I'm quite certain. It's actually a brand I wasn't familiar with, and I couldn't find any information on it online. But generally speaking, the waterproofing stuff, even the weird off-brand stuff, is usually silicone based. And judging by the cell formation, I'm assuming that's the case. Right. So far so good. And what I'm going to do now is just swipe it the other way, because I don't want this to be all about the white. Okay. Wanted to get the sides there. They were not covering up, but that's all right. So let's take it one more time on this way. And I'm just wiping some of the paint off each time I swipe. Swipe out to do it. Let's just go halfway. I think that will do it. Alright, I just want to make sure I've got all the edges fully covered up, which of course is easy enough to do. You just dip your hands in the paint that is falling off, or not so much falling, but being pushed off, I guess, is more accurate to say. All right. Let me just pat the paint on where it's not missing. Well, kind of lost a lot of that blue and gold. I was hoping that would be the main focus. I think next time I'm going to try just a two-tone swipe. See what that does. Although I do like how that turned out, and definitely lots of cells. I'm just going to give that a quick torch. Just to get the air bubbles out, and it might cause some more cells. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is let that sit for about a half hour and see just what we end up with, and we'll come back and take a look. Alright, so it's been about half an hour. I don't know if I see much of a difference. A few little cells formed and popped up, and a few more may yet crop up. But otherwise, that is it. I was kind of hoping for more of a blue and gold as being the main colors, but it looks more like the white kind of took over. Still very happy with how it looks. Tons of cells, of course. You can see that. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see all you wonderful people next time.